Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you TECXERLLON. Texerolon. This is a dehumidifier and it works electric with 25 liter each day, which can dehumidify out of the air this much of water per day out of your area. 50 square meters and of 150 cubic meters are possible with an app control and touch panel. This is a dehumidifier for the Thaler 3.7 liter water tank and a hose drainage optionally, with 47 decibel silence mode and 24 hours timer. And chilled lock, of course. It's also on the market available with 15 liter per day version, of course. But I promise you shouldn't take the 25 liter per day, because if you're going to use this, each hour of operation will cost you approximately 10 cent. If you have a kilowatt hour of 30 cent price at home. So 10 cent each hour, and an hour means you can reduce 10% of your air humidifier there. It removes up to 25 liter of moisture daily and effectively covers an area up to 50 square meters, 150 cubic meters, with an airflow of 140 square meters per hour. This is either for large bedrooms, for living rooms, for the basement, or other damn rooms. We say goodbye to mold and moisture. The Texteleron dehumidifiers offers two control options: an intuitive touchscreen control panel or a smart app. 2.4G Wi-Fi compatible. So we simply connect, press and hold the speed button in off mode to activate the Wi-Fi mode, and connect the Smart Live app with your smart device. It's a smartphone often. Conveniently set the humidifier levels from 40% up to 80%. With a fan speed which you can choose from, on and off times, and remotely monitor the power. It is for modern busy households. And we choose between the 3.7 liter water tank with a level warning and an automatic shutdown for manual emptying, or we can enjoy the continuous operation with the included drainage hose. This flexibility ensures uninterrupted dehumidification. It is for basements, laundry rooms, or other humid areas. Thanks to the 325 watt high performance compressor, the device dehumidifies quickly and energy efficient. It uses a 24-hour timer to customize an on-off time for a maximum comfort and an energy saving too. And it's quiet device with a safety protector family with the child lock function, while the adjustable humidity and the two fan speeds, low and high, ensures an individual comfort. Thanks to the 360 degrees wheels and the portable handle, we can easily move the dehumidifier between rooms. We enjoy a quiet environment with a low noise level of only 47 decibel. This is either for bedrooms, office, and children's rooms. Oh, that's cool. We have here high performance smart dehumidifier. Wow. Powerful dehumidification, noticeable moisture reduction. It removes up to 25 liters of moisture per day at 30 degrees Celsius and 80% humidity. That means 50 bottles of water of 500 milliliter each. Oh, more energy efficient compressor. Saves over 25% of electric cost because we have a 325 watt turbo compressor for a fast, efficient dehumidification included in that machine. And we have parental control. We can activate and deactivate the child lock by long press the button. This prevents incorrect operation and it protects our children at home. And of course, 24-hour timekeeping. Memory, individual switch on and off by using the app control. So easy peasy, you can add this device via Bluetooth to your operation system. And of course, then you connect it to your Wi-Fi network, and then we are in. And then we can operate this dehumidifier from every area on the earth where it is internet access, of course. This all in March brings us the Texarelon dehumidifier. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. And of course, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Oh, maybe on my channel was a nice dehumidified area too. That's of course because of that device. Sun.